Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we're super excited because this video is going to be sponsored by AHopeGarden, which is a hydroponic garden for inside. We live in Canada, so right now, as you can see behind me, we are going into our fall season, and usually that's the end of growing. So this opportunity has given us a chance to continue on our growing inside. So I'm going to do this video in two portions. I'm going to do an unboxing of the product, and then we're going to have a second portion, which will be the growing of the starting of the seeds, as well as the process of how long it takes. So this will take a while for that one. So in the meantime, let's do our unboxing. So this is a intelligent planter, which is, there's a lighting mode, which is a vegetable mode, a flower and fruit mode. Is different options for the lighting time, which is on for 16 hours, and then off for 8 hours. All right, so let's do and see what's inside. So inside this has the manual on how to use this intelligent planter. So it has step-by-step on what's included, the instructions on how to use it, as well how to plant, prepare the seed pods, and adding water. So let's see what else we have in this this package. So there were options. You can either get this machine in a black color or a white. It also has options for more pods. So we have one that I believe holds, let's see how many it holds here. So this is the base for I believe the water, and then we're just going to open it up. So this option comes with an 8-pod cylinders, and then it also comes with a 10, and then even if you want to grow more, it has 60-pod option. So we're going to take it inside now so we can plug it in and show you how it works. So we have brought the intelligent planter inside. We have plugged it in. I'm going to go over with you on the quick guide that they provided. So you have the manual that will go into detail of how to use it, and then there's also a quick guide that gives you step by step. So it was delivered to us in this box, and it was nice and compressed. So the way that you would do it is you would just open it up to its fullest, and then on the top of the planter there are 4 buttons. So we have our power button, which turns on the power of the planter. It has a water button, it also has a vegetable button, and then it also has a flower and fruit button. So in the quick guide it says here you would input the water within the base here. So the base would hold the water, and then it also says here, if you are going to grow large seeds such as lettuce, basil, tomato, please soak seeds in water for about 6 to 12 hours before planting. Then it has here, if you are going to grow small seeds such as mint, petunia, you can directly place seeds into soaking sponges with tweezers and drip a small quantity of water on the seeds to keep them moist. Put the seed pods into the planter, opening, and add water until the level reaches 3 liters. Okay, so you can go into more detail of the how to start your seeds and how to place them in there, and then the items that were included with this planter as well is you have your sponges, which are here, which have an opening at the top where you would put your seed inside. You also have these holders. So this is for an 8-cylinder. Like I said earlier, there is one for a 10-cylinder and a 60, depending on what you want to grow. So now I'm going to open up the individual packaging that has come with this planter. We're going to start off with this one here. So these are the little baskets that are placed inside of the main port here, the holders. So you would put that device first. These ones here are the sponges. So like mentioned earlier, if you're growing larger items, you would have to soak these, and then if smaller, you wouldn't. So this would go inside there. And then here. So it comes with these little containers. I believe these are the grow domes. There's 9 of them. These are some covers as well. In here there are some labels, so if you want to label and when you started your seed, so you would date it and then the item that you're planting. There's also we have here some tags, a couple of tags. They come with tweezers, so that will help you place the seeds within your sponges. In addition to the cylinders and the sponges, it also comes with some, this one says it's plant food, and then as well another plant food. So that's wonderful. There's 2 containers, and I believe what you would do is it's like a granule inside, and you would fill it with water, and then it would become a liquid fertilizer. So I cannot wait to put this all together. So this is quite exciting, and I can't wait to start using it. Again, we are going to have a second portion where we are going to start planting our seeds, showing you how it works and the results that we're going to get from it. We're so excited to be working with A Hope Garden, and we want to thank them for this lovely planter, and we are so excited to be working with you. Until next time, if you want to see more videos like this on our travel, our food, and our product reviews, please subscribe to our channel. Hit that bell notification for the newest and latest video. Until next time.